everyone! Today I'm going to start a series of videos for college prep math. This will cover the tutorials that you're unable to access, and you can do the offline activities for the mastery tests. So what I'm going to do is for each video I am going to work out a question that is similar to one from the offline activity, and today we're going to start off with subsets. So here we go. Okay, so here is the top section of the offline activity. If you are submitting these to me for your mastery test, I want you to make sure that you have your name on there. So I'll put my name on this one. You don't need the date. And then please make sure that it has the title of the section you're in. So let's go ahead and fill this out together. So it says that set A equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and set B equals 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, you can say that set B is a subset of set A. If B is a subset of C, you can represent it as a smaller set within set C. And a subset will always have less elements than the number of elements in the set. So let's go ahead and talk about what an element is when we're talking about sets. So an element would be like 4, 5, or 6. Each one of those is an element. I also would like to go ahead and draw a doodle that represents subsets. So here I'm going to represent set A with a green circle, and I'm going to represent set B with a blue circle. So the blue is a subset. So this is a subset. So next, I want to try out a practice problem. So set A is 4 of my favorite foods. Set B are my favorite foods that happen to be famous in Texas. So the problem says to represent that B is a subset of A using a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have set A, which has everything in it. We have pizza, tacos, kolaches, and queso. Set B is made up of kolaches and queso. So this is how I would represent it with circles. These are also called Venn diagrams. Hey, that wasn't so bad, right? So if you still need some help, if you have any specific questions, you can post them in the comments. You can send me questions through Gmail, Edmentum, Hangouts. Any of those is fine. And don't forget to like and subscribe and make me YouTube famous. Just kidding.